Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Chief Secretary ka Sarkar Jilla uba DP Walang IAS mentakasngi ulakhot daga Jingyalang ha Conference Hall ka Office u Deputy Commissioner ka West Jngai Hills District. Ha ka Jingyalang ladon lang uba MR Sinram IAS Commissioner and Secretary Urban Affairs Department uba Ik Harmalki IAS Director Urban Affairs Department uba BS Soalia IAS Deputy Commissioner West Jngai Hills District URS Gill IFS Principal Chief Conservator of Forest and Chairman MSPCB Bat Kiway. Haka Jingyalang laya keren halor ke hukum balapun mi daga National Green Tribunal haka mokot duma OA 172-2016 EZ saje lalu persya ya ke Sarkar Jilla. Chief Secretary ula kentu ya ke Bor Penyat District ke Jngai Municipal Board bat katnat penroi sor Urban Affairs Department baki day ban buat renti ya ke hukum ke balapun mi daga NGT na ke benta ke jingkut jong ke wak Myntdu kentop ru ke jaka pelang nyot ke sor Jngai bat ban Weng ni Khang ya ke Ïing ba Jngai san Metre nakawa Myntdu. Ulakan turu yaw DC ban shimkya daladi bat ban penkoloi ka jing pentrei ya ka fecal sludge and sewage management treatment plan bat kumjuru Ïing ba klem ki septic tank ha Jngai.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.